How to fix Safari Clear History grayed out on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Safari browser on your Mac and further tap on the History option from the menu bar on top of your screen. You will then see the Clear History option on the bottom of your screen. Now, as you can see, the Clear History option is grayed out. So, in order to fix this, go ahead and launch the Settings application on your MacBook from the dock and further scroll down and tap on the Screen Time option from the left side toolbar and then tap on the Content and Privacy Restriction option under the Restrictions tab. Now go ahead and toggle off the Content and Privacy toggle button, and now if you go back and open Safari and then tap on the History option from the menu bar, you will see that the Clear History option is no longer grayed out and you will easily be able to clear your Safari history. So, this is how you can fix Safari Clear History grayed out on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.